It's good to see you. Okay, Prisha. I don't need to tell you, but this is Clapping When we're a spoken English platform. Okay,
Okay.
we help students in making their English better, particularly the spoken English, the one they speak. Okay,
Okay.
are you able to understand me?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Prisha, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Okay. And my name is Insha, and I'm your speaker or your teacher for today. Okay.
Okay.
And so we go about introducing yourself. You should introduce yourself and tell me why do you need to learn English?
My name is Prisha Chaudhary. I'm 8 years, means 9 years old. Well, um,
Mm-hmm.
I like to speak English. We have to, we all have to learn English because if we won't learn English, then we cannot study English well.
That is true. So, Prisha, tell me what are your hobbies? What is your favorite thing to do when you're free?
Swimming.
Swimming, you like swimming. And don't you like watching cartoons or any kind of, online animations or something like that?
Yes, I like cartoons.
So, what is your favorite cartoon?
Chota Bheem.
Okay, Chota Bheem. Who's your favorite character in Chota Bheem?
Bheem.
Okay, Bheem is your favorite character. Why do you like him?
Because he is very powerful and he saves everybody's life.
That is such a wonderful thing to say. Okay, so how old were you, Prisha, when you learned swimming?
Miss, I was 9 year old only.
Okay, so this year you only started, swimming and all. So, Prisha, where do you live?
I live in Oliva apartment in Mumbai.
Okay, so Prisha, do you like Mumbai very much?
Yes.
So, can you describe Mumbai and your feelings towards it in one or two sentences?
Okay. I like Mumbai and
Mm-hmm.
Mumbai is my favorite country
Okay.
because
Mumbai is your favorite country.
hmm,
So, Mumbai is a city. Okay. Listen to me, listen to me.
just a minute.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So, Mumbai is a city. Okay. Maharashtra is a state and India is a country. Okay, so you should say Mumbai is my favorite city.
Okay.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
go ahead, go ahead.
Mumbai is my favorite city
Hmm.
and I love to go to India Gate.
Okay, Gateway of India. It's not India Gate. It's called Gateway of India. India Gate is in Delhi,
Hmm?
which is another city in India. Okay, it's a capital city. So, tell me, what do you like most about Mumbai?
I like its seas.
Okay, you like the sea. And do you like to go to any beach nearby? Do you like to go on the sand part of the bank of the not bank, the seashore? Do you like that?
Yes.
And do you like Mumbai rains?
Hmm?
Do you like rainy season in Mumbai?
Yes.
Okay, why do you like it?
Because in rainy season I love to play in rain.
Okay, so it gives you a lot of happiness, I assume, right?
Yes.
Okay, what is your favorite subject, Prisha?
I like to study science and SST.
Okay, so what do you like? What is it that you like about science the most?
I like to explore some things
Mm-hmm.
like why
Mm-hmm.
why we see the lightning first and then we hear it, like that
Mm-hmm.
things.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And what do you like about social science? That is your SST?
History.
Okay. So what do you like in history? What is your favorite lesson that you've had in history?
Um, I had that
Mm-hmm.
timelines and learning past of history, like
Mm-hmm.
Vikings, new war battles, and
Okay. Wars and battles, and probably about kings and queens.
yes,
Right, Trisha? Sorry, Prisha. So, Prisha, tell me something. If I am to give you a game or a sport, do you understand what that means?
yes.
So, what sport would you like to play?
I would like to play badminton, swimming, and
Hmm. Do you already play badminton?
yes,
Okay, wow. So, Prisha, I'll ask you a question that I think everybody has asked you. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't know till now.
Okay. So, isn't there anything that interests you? It
I
can be
want to
as
be a
small as
sport person. I want to be a sports person.
you want to be a sports person, and I think you want to be a swimmer, from what I can see. Is it true? You can correct me. I can be wrong.
Yes, I want to.
Okay. So, Prisha, I would ask you another question: is when is your birthday?
My birthday is in February,
Okay. Give me a particular date. Okay. Give me the whole date.
12th February.
Okay. So, Prisha, tell me what is it that you like to do on your birthday?
I like to cut cakes and
Mm-hmm.
take gifts
Uh-huh.
and
What
share
is the
and
uh-huh.
share
Go
my
ahead, go ahead.
cakes. Cake.
So, uh-huh. Tell me, Prisha, what is the best birthday gift that you got till date?
I got a big Barbie set in my birthday.
Okay, and it was very beautiful.
Yes,
Did you play with it?
yes.
Okay, and what flavor of cake do you like the most? I assume chocolate.
What?
What flavor of cake do you prefer? What do you ask your mom and dad to get you? The taste of cake,
Chocolate,
should it be okay, chocolate
chocolate
cake?
cake and butter cake. Butter.
Okay, that is your favorite. So, Prisha, tell me, give me few sentences of how your school life is right now. Because all of you have online classes, right? So,
Yes.
how were you feeling about that?
I feel from tomorrow my online classes are starting again.
Okay.
1 week was my holiday of summer
Mm-hmm.
vacations,
Mm-hmm.
and my class teacher I like the most,
Mm-hmm.
and my English teacher also.
Okay. So, do you miss your friends?
Yes,
Okay, so you miss going out with them and meeting them in school.
yes.
Yeah. Do you also miss school, or do you enjoy staying at home?
I miss school because when I used to go to school, I used to
Mm-hmm.
meet my friends also.
Okay. And that makes you feel sad?
No, not that much.
Okay.
I play indoor games or sometime I go out to play
Mm-hmm.
badminton, race.
Uh, okay, okay, okay. All right, all right. So, Prisha, what I was meaning to ask you with this in this question is, do you feel any major difference as a student and as a 9-year-old person who should be going to school right now? Do you feel a difference in your studies?
Means
Is there a difference on how teachers used to teach you in class and now as they teach you on a laptop or on a mobile phone? Is there a difference that you feel?
yes.
So tell me how is it different?
Because when I used to go to school, teachers were
Mm-hmm.
used to write on the board, and now
Mm-hmm.
when I am joining it with my laptop, teachers are used to tell us, and we are used to write. We all used to write.
Okay, you all used to write, and now what happens is I think you are given assignments for homework that you have to submit, if I'm not
Yes,
mistaken. Is that right?
yes,
Okay, so Prisha, as you are here and you are the youngest person in the sense the out of all the students that I have, you have you're the only 9-year old and you have the smallest age. Okay, you're very little. What I can see from your English is that you're on your way to become very proficient, and I like your tone. Okay, also your pronunciation is very, very good. Keep it up. Okay.
okay, miss.
Now, what I would tell you as a 9-year-old is that develop, or I'm sure your daddy is listening to this, develop a habit of reading small, small stories. Okay.
Hmm.
Despite your syllabus, despite what teachers give you, read something that interests you. Okay.
Okay.
Are you doing that already?
Yes, I love to read Akbar and Birbal storybooks.
Oh, wow. So your daddy gets it for you, I think.
Yes,
So who's your favorite character, Akbar or Birbal?
Birbal.
Okay, why do you like Birbal?
Because he can solve any mystery.
Okay, and don't you think he's very witty and smart?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So keep it up. And I think as you grow, one author that I would recommend you is Ruskin Bond. He writes for children, okay, and he might be in your school syllabus also. Some of his short
Yes.
stories are in the school syllabus also for I think up to sixth class, sixth standard. Now you're too young still, right?
Yes.
So try and read, try to
Excuse me, miss.
uh-huh,
We,
yeah.
we are having one book of Ruskin Bond.
Okay, what Ruskin Bond book do you have right now? Do you
I
remember the
don't
title?
know the title.
Okay, you don't know the title. So, if your daddy's listening to this, he must go through the contents first himself and then he would give it to you. Okay? Because some English you still can't understand because you're very small still, you're very young. So, some comprehension or some words are not understandable to people who are young. So, small stories is something I would recommend, and I'm very happy that you're already reading Akbar and Birbal. So we're also coming to an end of this session. Do you have any questions?
No.
Are you sure? Don't you want to ask me anything else? Okay, ask me.
Okay.
Hmm.
Miss, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies. I like to garden. Okay, I'm a person who likes gardening.
Okay.
I am a person who likes reading, and sometimes I also play badminton, and I go running. Okay, jogging or running. That is what I do in my free time.
Okay.
Okay. So, Prisha, it was really nice meeting you. Okay. Also, you're very, very good for a 9-year-old. Okay. Keep it up. Try to learn new words. You're too young, but I'll tell you this still. Try to learn 4 new words each day using a dictionary.
Yes.
Okay. Some things. we can't understand at a very young age. Sometimes you will not be able to understand certain things. Okay?
Yes.
Don't be bothered. Ask around, ask your daddy, ask your mom, or ask your teachers. Be curious always. Anyone who tells you to stick to your school syllabus, don't listen to them. Yes, do your homework, stick to your school syllabus. But a lot of us, including me and my sisters, have grown when we have done things on our own, when we have studied on our own, out of our own interest. Okay, you're young, try to develop that interest. Though it's a very elder talk, what I'm telling you right now, but I think you get the point. You're a very smart girl.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm ending this call, Trisha. Though we have 2 more minutes left, but I think we've reached the stretch of our conversation. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Take care and have a good day, and keep dancing in Mumbai rains. Okay, enjoy your rains.
Yes.
Okay, take care, Prisha. Bye bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye. It was so nice talking to you.